everyone, I am Jerry Redoblado from BSN4B. Preparation of GoBag. First is we have mga importanteng dokumento. Then, radio. Importante kami siya para ma-update ta. We have also Lucky 7, Pansit Canton, mga canned goods kay para in case na magutom ta. And also power bank. ID, dapat natay ID, dili jud kalimta ng ID. Then, importante sad na natay kit. Kailangan na dapat tay kit kay para in case of kanang may mga ma-injured kay dapat kanang maka first aid ta. And also we have a fire extinguisher kung if may sunog. Then wallet. Then medication box. And also flashlight if brown out. Ay, syempre brown out man jud na kay kuan. Disaster. Then we have also hygiene kit. Shampoo. We have also hygiene kit, gunting, toothbrush, and also water. Dapat mao ni sila ang naa sa ato ang GoBag in case of emergency disaster or any kind of disaster. Dapat ready tatanan. Palaging handa. Dapat palagi tayong handa.